Hey there, breakfast lover, tired of the same old pancakes? Get ready to flip your mornings upside down with these Greek yogurt pancakes. They're fluffy, tangy, and oh so delicious. I'll show you how to whip them up in no time. Don't forget, all the ingredients are waiting for you in the description. Let's get cooking. Alright, let's get started by preparing our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these together until they are well combined. This step ensures that the leavening agents are evenly distributed throughout the flour, which will help our pancakes rise evenly and have a nice, fluffy texture. Next, in a separate bowl, we're going to work on our wet ingredients. Grab 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk these together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. The Greek yogurt will add a lovely tanginess and moisture to our pancakes, while the eggs and butter will help bind everything together and add richness. Now, it's time to bring our dry and wet ingredients together. Pour the dry ingredients into the bowl with the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. The batter should still be slightly lumpy. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough, and we want them to be light and fluffy. If you're using a sweetener, now is the time to add it. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, honey, or any sweetener of your choice. Mix it into the batter until it's well incorporated. If you're substituting rolled oats for oat flour, blend 1 cup of rolled oats into a fine flour and add it to the batter. This can add a nice, hearty texture and a bit of extra fiber to your pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Once it's hot, coat the surface with a light layer of cooking spray. This will prevent the pancakes from sticking and help them cook evenly. You'll know the pan is ready when a drop of water sizzles and evaporates almost immediately. Pour about 1/4 cup of the batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges start to look dry. This is your cue to flip the pancakes. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. The pancakes should have a beautiful, golden color and a slightly crisp edge. Finally, serve your pancakes hot with your favorite toppings. You can go classic with maple syrup, add some fresh fruits like berries or banana slices, or even a dollop of whipped cream for extra indulgence. Enjoy your delicious Greek yogurt pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.